Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch. In Geneva, earlier today at SIHH 2019, we went to visit Ulysse Nardin to see the new Freak X. In 2001, Ulysse Nardin originally released a Freak. It was the first watch ever to have silicon parts, or silicium as they called it in French, in the movement. Very revolutionary type of watch that kept improving and coming out with new versions. And there have been an amazing assortment of Freak watches over the years. For 2019, the Freak X is a new entry-level model. It costs about $20,000. It uses a new type of movement. It's an in-house made UN 118 movement with a module on top, also produced by Ulysse Nardin for the Freak complication, as they call it. It does not have a crownless design like the other Freak models, and it's a lot more practical. It's 43 millimeters wide, very wearable, extremely cool to look at. There's 4 different versions, and I'm really looking forward to sharing them on aBlogtoWatch.